What's up, y'all? Kaizen here. Welcome back to the video or the channel or whatever. Anyways, I'm just going over my trades today. We had terrible news as far as, well, not terrible, but go to Forex Factory. We had negative news today, so in my mind, I was thinking sell, which we did sell off for a little bit. I got it for a quick scalp, as you can see. The only reason I took this many trades, as you can see, is because on Top Step it was lagging behind. Like I took a sale the first time, everything was fine. I think I was up like 170 something, but it should have been like 300 uh from where I moved my stop loss. Then I got in for another sale and took profit, but this number did not change. This number was still at 178. And then I got in for another sale, and as I got in for another sale on this chart, it updated to like 514 or whatever. So not really liking that, and Top Step has already been having problems. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure they won't, but hopefully Top Step at some point will bring back Tradeovate. Even though I don't care to use Tradeovate, but at least like bring it back as an option or whatever. I'm up 736 in this account. As I said before, with the second account, which I'm going to show in a second. Um, I have to trade two different windows separately because my second XFA cannot follow uh this because I have more leverage or whatever in this. So here's the other account of only 396 because I was going back and forth trying to trade since I can't copy trade them right now. But it is what it is. Not really worried about it. Here's the stats on this account, but my stats on my main XFA is way better. 58% win rate, still pretty good. Profit factor to the 2.0 or 2. Profit factor 2. God damn it. Sorry, God, I am exhausted. I really wasn't gonna trade today at all because I've been trying to get in the habit of avoiding trading news, if that makes sense, or CPI or whatever. But up 955. All I care about is taking profit, right? I don't care about these huge risk to reward ratios. Like most people would try to trade this and want it to come all the way down here, or sweep liquidity down here. I'm not going to do that. I realize what worked for me is um, trading an area of interest with a bias. I do have to factor in news uh, with the direction of the trend or whatever. And sometimes I do trade counter trend. Like I do take reversals. Like today, I kind of took a reversal on the open. And I rather win. I rather have a high win percentage than a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. That's just how what's been working for me. Okay, so we're back to this account. But like I said, I'd rather have a high win rate than some crazy risk to reward ratio. I do not care about any of that. And let me move this back down to one. Here are my performance stats. They look amazing. 4,500. Obviously, you have to factor in that I did take a payout, so it should say like 6K or whatever. 85% win rate, fellas. 85% win rate. 4 to 4.7. That's basically a 5 profit factor. Pretty cool. Average win, average loss is because I did take that huge loss one day. Or not really huge loss, but a decent sized loss. Let's scroll down. Yeah, this was the one that messed that up. It's all good. I'm look how long I'm in the trade for. Like I used now I do good if I stay in the trade 5 to 10 minutes and let the trade develop, or even 10 to 30 minutes. But like I said, I was winning more in this range from 45 seconds, 45 to 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute. And that's also because I'm using one mini versus two micros every time. I used to do two micros for a while, and I talked about it on the channel. But after a while, when you're getting into a trade, and let's say I got down here, right, for two micros, but I want to scale in, right? As the market's going up and I add another two micros, my entry is moving up with the chart. So it can move up with the chart, but let's say market reverses against me. So now I lose my where my stop loss would originally be. So I thought about, okay, I'm gonna just trade with two micros and then add one mini to make it a little bit easier on me. And here are my stats for the last 2 weeks. I took a payout on the 20th. I only traded and made $87 on the 21st. 380, 648, 736. And I'm just trying to get base hits. I'm not worried about trying to get 5K in a week, 10K in a week. I'm just trying to get base hits. Um, when everything goes well, I'll take a payout on the 28th, since that would be my fifth day. We're up 3K. Ideally, I would like to be at 4K or 4,500 by the time we get here, but you never know. Market changes, blah blah blah. You know, can't predict what the market is going to do. So all I'm going to do is protect my account. That's all I can do. But anyways, long video. Sorry for taking so long on this video because I am tired of shit. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.